Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing how to do clean girl makeup look for brown skin type. And this makeup look you can wear anywhere in your university or to your work. It looks very aesthetically clean and your skin looks flawless as well as younger at the same time. I'm going to start with clean face. I have prepped my face as well as moisturized it well. I do my skincare 5 minutes before I even start my makeup, and then I am gonna head ahead with applying my favorite primer, that is the Isadora moisturizer plus primer mix. I've been using this face mist for quite some time. It is fragrance free and it's clinically tested. It's excellent to keep your makeup on your face for a longer duration of time. Apply it on my face and then spread evenly all over my skin so that it doesn't leave any sort of cakey finish at the end of the makeup. It leaves a nice shine to my face and skin when I apply it evenly. Then I'm going to be using my NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum in the shade 08 Sand. It blends so well with my skin tone that I just can't explain it. I really love using concealer, just the concealer. I don't use any foundation on my face. With the help of 2 pumps, I take my beauty blender and then dab it and then apply a thin film on my skin. See the difference? Where I apply the concealer, my skin looks much more youthful and flawless. It is just because it has covered all the pigmentation marks and the dark spots that were present on my skin. I'm going to do the same on the other side and cover all of my pigmentation marks so that I have that evened out flawless look. Now I'm going to be taking the MAC Studio Fix stick in the shade NW47. It is 4 times darker my skin tone and it has a yellow tint to it. So I like to contour my face. The clean girl aesthetic is all about the sharpness of your face. Every face structure is different, but my face structure resembles to oval and diamond shape. So I like to contour it and bring out the sharpness to my face structure. Then with the help of a beauty blender, I like to blend it all in a way that it is moving in the upward motion that gives a nice structure to the face. The key to get the flawless skin is all about blending your makeup well on your skin. The more you blend it, the more natural it looks, the more it seems less cakey. This is how the contoured face looks like. It's so natural, so well structured, and I love the way it gives a nice definition to my face. Then I'm going to be using the fixing powder from Art Deco. It is a translucent powder. It is rub proof as well as waterproof, and it sets my makeup perfectly. It gives a nice matte finish to it, and also it's glossy at the same time. I'm going to concentrate on my under eye area and my T-zone as I sweat a lot over there, and it gives a nice shine to it at the end of the day, and it sets on my skin beautifully. It doesn't leave a white cast, and it's excellent for brown to dark skin type. Then I'm going to take the Ferocious Brow Pencil. This is from the Balm Company. It has a nice brush attached at the end of the pencil. It's very thin to work with thin eyebrow that I have. The pencil is so thin that you can work with the details of your eyebrow and give it a nice structure. You can also fill in your eyebrows and the gaps in your eyebrows, giving it a nice definition as well as a nice structure to your face. With the help of the brush, now just brush out any sharp lines that you have drawn on your eyebrow. This gives a nice bushy effect to the eyebrows and a nice healthy eyebrow structure. Now it's time for the blush. I'm using the Max Factor Facefinity blush in the shade 50 Sunkissed Rose. It's excellent for darker skin type as well as brown skin. It has a nice pinky glowy blush effect when you apply it, and for the yellow skin tones it just looks so natural. It seems like your skin has a nice blood rush on your cheeks. Dab a little bit on your nose and voila, it looks like nice pinky flushed effect. I like to use the mascara next, and that is from the Art Deco Twist for Volume mascara. On the wand, it has two different twists. One is for volume and one is for lengthening. So I twist to the lengthening side and then bring out that natural length of my lashes. I like to apply 2-3 layers of this mascara. It gives a nice natural volumized effect to my lashes. Now it's time for the lips. I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink. It's in the shade 180 Revolutionary. I love this pinkish shade. It blends well with the blush that I have used on my cheeks. I like to apply a thin layer, and this lipstick stays for a good 5 hours, and I'm not kidding. I eat with it, I drink a lot of coffee with it, and it still stays on my lips. I love the way it gives a natural finish to my lips, and then I like to blend it a little bit with the help of my finger so that it doesn't look sharp at the edges. Then I tie my hair up in a bun that gives a nice finish to my whole makeup. No hair on the face, that is like the perfect finish. And that is it. I'm done with my clean girl look. This looks so natural, so mesmerizing on the brown skin type. Use these products and let me know in the comment section below, what do you actually think about this makeup? I enjoyed thoroughly while doing this whole video process, and please let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this makeup look that I have achieved? I'll see you soon. Take care and bye.